two furry best friends who have to get away. A story full of emotions that you too can create. That's right, AI-generated movies are already a reality, and the best part is that you can create them totally free. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make Disney Pixar-style AI-generated animations totally free. I'll show you how to properly generate still images using an amazing free image generator and how to transform these images into high-quality animation scenes. Let's get started. Here's how this method works. You start by generating an image of the scene you want to create. You can then bring this image to life and influence the result with detailed prompts and inputs to get exactly what you want, which I'll explain in detail later in this video. Get ready for a unique cinematic adventure. The goal is to produce a trailer for a non-existent Disney Pixar-style movie. To achieve this, we will use ChatGPT to generate a script for a short Disney Pixar-style trailer. Using this script as a base, I will create the images. Let's get started with it. For these images, I'm using Leonardo.ai. You can create up to 150 images a day for free, and with the right skills, you can produce incredibly realistic images. The goal is to create a Disney Pixar-style animation, so we'll select the 3D animation model. Now I will explain two methods to generate perfect images for your animations. I will provide you with a template to start creating your animations. We start by defining the theme, describing the scene and specifying the desired image style. For example, for my project, I created a movie poster of two cute golden retriever dogs running through the mountains, in the style of Disney Pixar movies, with an aspect ratio of 16:9. Before you start generating, it's crucial to make sure your settings are correct. There are more settings I could delve into, but the most crucial ones involve disabling the photo roll, alchemy and quick magic sliders, especially if you're using the free version. Since I intend to create a long video for YouTube, I selected an aspect ratio of 16:9. Now, click Generate. If you want to improve your image, you want a reference. If you want to recreate a specific scenario or concept, you can search for the prompt on this website, Prompt Hero. Search for what fits your vision and copy it. There are thousands of reference images with any theme, and you can find prompts from all the image generation AIs. Now, let's bring these images to life using Runway Gen 2. Visit their website, register with your email, and it has 125 free credits. I will walk you through the generation process, which is similar to Midjourney. Runway offers several tools like video to video or text/image to video. We will use this tool in this occasion. To tell the truth, it is a very good page to take advantage of the free credits. We select image plus description for a better result, but that's not all. To find the best prompt for this, I present the POE tool, a custom chatbot to create your prompt specifically for Runway or any of the models that are available. This is a gold mine. We just have to click on Explore and search for the application we are going to use and select the bot. It is very simple. Write the same prompt you used in Leonardo.ai and it will automatically give you the prompt to animate your image in Runway. Great, isn't it? Now just copy and paste it into Runway. We wait for it to generate. This can take a few seconds to minutes, and voila, we have a very good video. It actually looks quite professional. Let's see it on the big screen. That was very professional. How did you like it? Leave it in the comments if you liked the result. Then we continue with the other part of the video. We upload the following design made in leonardo.ai to the Runway. We wait for it to load and repeat the process. We ask our POE assistant to generate another prompt for our video and generate professional sequences. We copy and paste in the Runway description. It is simply amazing what artificial intelligence can do. We continue generating sequences with the ideas that chat gives us. Here is the prompt of the following sequence. To create the voice for your videos, we will use 11 Labs. Open your web browser and go to the 11 Labs site. Make sure you are logged into your email account to access the tool. In the 11 Labs interface, you will see a text input field. Type or paste the text you want to convert to speech. The tool offers a variety of languages and voices to choose from. Select the language in which you want the voice to be performed. Select the voice you prefer. You can opt for male or female voices, as well as voices with different accents and characteristics. You can adjust the speed of the voice to be faster or slower according to your preference. Now I will give you another completely free tool. To improve the quality of your images, you can use img.upscaler. Just upload your images and select the size, and you will have a very clear image to use them in your videos or desyncs. Generating an animated video with artificial intelligence takes your time, because we have to generate shot by shot. We can see all the tests that I have done to find the expected result. This is a process of consistency until we find the correct images that will serve us for our project. The idea is to test and test so that you understand how each of the tools and configurations of the artificial intelligence models work. Look at this beautiful design. After completing each scene, move on to the editing stage. You can edit your video with any software of your choice, but I recommend CapCut, a free, easy-to-use editing program that I use for all my videos. Import all your elements into the editing software and edit the video according to your preferences. In CapCut we find a large number of effects, transitions, filters, and audios to edit our video. We have to put together our sequences generated in Runway, edit the appropriate speed to match the video. If you do not have experience in video editing, consider watching tutorials related to the chosen program. Be patient, editing takes time. If you run out of ideas for your designs, you can use the assistant again. POE also has a leonardoai chatbot to give you ideas for your designs. I will ask it, give me 5 design ideas with Pixar, Disney style for children, and we will see the result. It's surprising how specific a prompt it generates with so little context. Use these tools for your projects. With everything we have learned, we can create a YouTube or TikTok channel and create some business with our content. Now we will see the result. I hope you liked the guide and use it to create amazing designs. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. There are thousands of artificial intelligence tools for each topic. It is up to you whether or not you use them for your benefit. Your support will help this video reach a wider audience, enabling me to create more content for you. Thank you.